wata chirangi cho wakwa imeye nyumba isiko ye nyumba chiria chikomenteranigwa amavuta yani oil na wigo chiria chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chiri kurwase chiria chiri guririke iriria gatigati gwikariguri iria bantabati wigo imeya uru superstores nero eduka yuka iyo wate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganie wochoganiri erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya uru superstores na wokwegena muna ekale aho watagete nigo kwa yenyora gwikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo Ekeonga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero otumikite chirangi cha crown paints eduke yiga ya uru superstores yego tokase enyumba ya uru complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangene duka ya Safaricom Mwigo, ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers, eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank. Asamange, bakere simgwetera aseti namba chabo 0111161500 Oru Superstores. The People's Choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Yechi tariki 30 mutinyo gatatu mwaka w'ekiri 2025 mwanche murigachi etagekeyemo igoro Chinsa Isano na Ibere chabo no mugaso na ukwanire andonsi asori na nakwarigene asemese Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere weekend asenchira yo wengenche ngatire Nyaboga wisoni makori kurasa umuno wibimanyire kabano into ikomwario Natogo chaka nigo ya mateyemo korwa ekinyorukia nyasancha metembe kegotoka iwodi ya Kisii Central ebunge nyaribari chache county ya Kisii yesokire na gusaba gusirwa kuisania chichiringi emilioni yemo nuguta Isano eriko konya korwaria omwana omomura bwengeyo oyobwate omochando bwengoro ase emyaka 15 nemo wekera buna togo kwanaiga korengana ni amateyo nigo bate abuna nigo bachita senyagitari na omwana oyo akatebwa nigo boriro obo boikire ase stage mwero ekento kiaretre obuobo anene mono ase family yo ase batebire nigo babeire bakonya kiregento kiribabwate na gusaba ondo bwensi gatia barai nabo iga bantu bari bate omoyo mya kubakonya iri kurwaria omwana oyo bwengeyo
lakini omwana oyo agaikabono nkera chaka kobabono ngororekaniro obweneire gokora ebintu byaye agachaka tunu omucheso yogendereire bakobeire oburwire twabeire ogoeta kere nyagitari burwire ombororekanete engaki twabwate chibese eri bono twamoete ngati gatoni oborimo egero omwana yari ngoriwe emanyekane ng'a muchando kiabwate burwire ombocheti kororekana ngera twakorire kere gento pi nari oburwire bw'omwana obwachaka kororekana bono waminyokire emyaka twarwanire esegi boronge bono totige guchimaye emyaka 16 Eibonero twarwanire boge kamboronge yaikire bono maximum tutarochi mutu tutarochi maya.
Kore abanyagitari batete usebo no bogwikira bono murango igwa egwaka mono ngwika nasiri kwa yana sana muno butukoneka ngutara abanye ere nene na marginal lense moiga ni mekinere tije tebere ere yuga ni rigo chigo ngeri wa ero sikwe ere nene ni mekitiri weti manyinga daringe stage C boni abatete stage D no malika masagaranya gitari na ororo ina abatete stage yo moeli stage D so bagato ushauri tokora mapema lakini mapema yeye ni chiwa siganiri
irangara rizoko twale zinge sana mane ndagira mane tento kuri machika so abongo soma abandale lakini utaboka na sana ne ono ko ya sabaka mambi irangara ringe mambi jiko kanyo wana no monto marabi onyo maruwa kya okoboka bo tinde tesiorori nantu na tole kano mangina nantu mebere ya tuteribuya
anjo kusaba nari kusaba mbia bana singinjia banye kinyoro ni familia yani kya batinira mona inje kubi myaka yonsi ngake yonsi kini ndo nari kusaba kenene kya stage yibata bete ni areo moelio opo kaninari ko boria ndo wensu nyigwete ndo wensu urando ro ni fesiri kwe sauti ye ankonye kinde moyo nyasaye na bako basisinia
aki bali bose baigwete riogiri motokonye so wanja kwino ndobwatia mange bona naitwe tusinyirenga itoko chakera na nga itoko kora asenga korara kora kutari korara mane to chwe kesale twalira bona twasinyina kibona tokora
Tigarete ase kaunti ya Kisii ni gwabarai ao kura ase kaunti ya Kisii bakorawa no mwaziri w'ekisemi Muske Julius Migosi Ogamba umuseneta we kaunti ya Kisii Muske Momai Mabwonyonga umuwakilishi w'abasubati kaunti ya Kisii umusubati Doris Tonyaburi baburi abana banyaruka gutarira kisemi magoko okobona cyo kachira chikobakonya ase amatuko aribose gokwana ase skuri y'abanyaruka ya Nyabururu Muskonyonga nigagi keiriare egetambukero konye serikali atakire gutugutirare umurimo bwesa wasatebire sabo no murimo muya na nigo urakonye aboroki wa ase amatuko aribose cinga kecheche Muskonyonga nigakwanete chisiasa chorogongo rwagusi anene mono iganga yo Muske Fred Matangi yogo chikorigo buraibwe nse obochori buri mutu bo mwaka 2027 korende Muske Ogamba nigatebete siasa nigerare nabono abarai kuragusi na Kenya ngema bararigerera amagendero yitangani.
I want to say, prepare yourself for tomorrow, because nobody will take care of you unless you take care of yourself.
When we tell you to work hard, when we tell you to close your legs and open your boots, is what am I saying? No. I'm yet to get you. When we tell you what? No. Thank you.
I saw the other day, please go and tell the president, how can somebody say that my children, these children don't want to learn maths? Maths is what distinguishes between the ability to analyze, interpret, and calculate. Isn't it? Yes. Please tell the president, allow some to do pure maths, allow some to do moderate maths, like me who are really stupid in class, or intelligent on everything else. I am serious. Monuya, Uru Simobara, Senate. I want to know the president was to you that the low just to Jamu to Sola and Woko, Akaram, Nama, Yakore, Polytechnic, Laboko,
the ministry continues to engage stakeholders with a view to get necessary feedback to align feedback on the education sector. Such feedback that the debate is going on in the past. We are listening to it, we are looking at it, we are analyzing to see that we get the right decision for the sector.
With utmost respect, Kenyan politics is based on arrangements and programs where political parties negotiate for what they take to their counties and areas. We have decided that as a community and as Kenyans, we are also going to set up our own political party. We are going to produce our own candidate who will negotiate with the president and all the other people who are running for political office in this country. And that candidate is none other Fred Okeko Matia.
Just give you a small advice. Let us concentrate on development. The time for campaigning will. At that point, constitutionally, you are free to stand for any seat in this country, correct? In any event, is the presidency vacant, and as leaders, we need to be able to advise our people properly so that we do the right thing at the right time.
Tigana nayo togende asensemeri ya siasa abwa somo konyo mukora wo muraiwensi ya Kenya muskeri gatigashago agendere kora komosha muraiwensi ya Kenya muske daktari William Samoei Ruto ase oburaiwaye muske gashago nigo boigo amumochire omotenenerie osomone wabanajeshi muske general Kariri asa mubore wetanga na siasa na koteba abanajeshi tibaganire wesanania ase siasa ingane iyo nigo yaitwa koboko no mo senator we county ya Nyandarua omuske metro.
Sababu kila siku ni kudanganya watu na kutenga na kuahidi, si ndio? Si hata saa hii anajiandaa kutembea huko, anakuja kusema ukweli ama uongo? Si mnajua pesa imepangwa na magunia, mjitayarishe mkule, lakini msipeleke hiyo nyumbani. Pesa nyumbani imelaaniwa, mkule pale kwa market peke yake, si ndio? Sasa watu wanapewa pesa kuja kusikiza uongo. Na tumesema basi kama ni kusikiza uongo ulipishe bei kali. Kwa sababu uongo ni kitu baya. Sasa usipewe 200 kusikiza uongo, utakuwa ni mjinga.
Akitaka tukuja mkutano yake 2000. Akitaka tupiga makofi 2000. Akitaka ngemi 3000. Akitaka tucheke 3000. Lakini haujatuambia ni kwa muda gani. Mtu hawezi kudanganya wana hawa ni dakika 20 amalize na aende.
Rais huwezi tawala hii watu ya Naivasha kwa nguvu na utawala wa mabavu. Hata ukituma polisi, utume GSU, utume prisons, utume ESTU, hao watu ya Naivasha wametoa wewe kwa roho zao. Mtaona chama mingi sana rais analeta hapa, watu wakijificha ati ni chama zao. Chama hapa itakuwa moja. Chama itakuwa ngapi? So don't bring politics into the military. And for your information, hiyo Ruto must go, si kusema ati atolewe ofisi kinyume ya sheria. No. Watu is a clarion call in preparation for the general election. Ruto atatolewa kikatiba na uchaguzi wa 2027.
Tutigaita sensemi yoni gomonene wa banajeshi omoske general Charles Kahariri atugutoirare chinkwana chabarai na boigo igati abakenya abago tabuna Ruto mastigo asabona tabira abakenya na wa muchoreto murai wense na nigo erebya chinka kibara ire bitambuka na kumugwatise muske Ruto ase aborai bwaye kuninchira ya muyokoreta amagendo chinsemo imiyense ya Kenya ingane yo nigo Tokoboko, no director wikembikirikia National Intelligence Service omoske Muldin Haji oyotebete aba Kenya nerebya babwatiri chiko.
So wakati watu wanaamua kwamba tumechoka na hii serikali na mulichagua wenyewe, alafu mnasema must go. That must go must be done according to the constitution. Si ni kweli? Yeah, so that's why people question kwa nini military inakuwa deployed. We have a responsibility. We took an oath to defend the constitution, to defend the republic, and that's why it is necessary that the security institutions are professional, and the professionalism will come through academic experts, through such institutions. So this issue of how politics goes and all that. And by the way, the military, one of the core values is that we are apolitical. We don't support any political side. We defend the constitution and the government of the day, duly elected by the people.
Through this lecture, citizens of this great nation are invited to gain insight into a realm that has historically been cloaked in secrecy. Intelligence, by its nature, operates in the shadows. It thrives on discretion and anonymity, handling information that is rarely discussed openly. Intelligence agencies have engaged in open dialogues to emphasize their role in national development, security, and diplomacy. And today, the National Intelligence Service takes a bold step in this shift towards transparency and public engagement in security matters.
Gokora nigo mwambasada wensi ya Iran imeyensi ya Kenya gose Kenya omoske daktari ari atebiri ensi ya Iran igera chikogendra gukenya obwamate gati ya bonensi ya Kenya satebiri nigo bara chikoena kyabunango sira na bare ase chi sector aner mono e sector yo bonchorira e sector yechisemi amone sector ya bochene bunenjira yamo yogotinyo obwamate na bogo gokenya uchumi igati yechinse chebere.
We are working very closely with our friends in the government here, the government of Kenya and the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and all other inland ministries and organizations to put in place many different programs and plans for the cause of bilateral relations. We discussed all the potentials and areas that we can identify and work together to improve not only the trade aspect of that, but also to working, as you mentioned, on the aspects of investment, transfer of technology and knowledge, training, and even going for scholarship can improve the parliamentary engagement, including visits by the speakers, from both sides. So that's something that we're working on that, and I hope that we could be able soon to witness such an exchange and mutual visits.
Yokore Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere tukura Jumapili asinchira yobwenge Chinsa ikomi ninchukura naga yangoretera yomuna yande asinchira yobwenge nchengatira Nyaboga wisono makore kuraso mona boy manyerio Wilfred Matunda nero konyire kone kebona chibicheche kana mariogi ngwekachire asinchira yobwekero ngenda gutwara oborigerero boro bujana boy gobotoyero asemiro beyonsi ya Getembe TV ekobwatia.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills elikuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achabwirigirie amabati anda onsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati aiga ntobwate time tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo chotebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuare ye chikala au na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges au bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibigo babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia ye chigage emerongibere na Isano na Isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate yigani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chako gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe gwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo okunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabati yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ouru MRM showroom onyara kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo guchanye warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya ouru superstores yego toka se enyumba ya ouru complex imiyumu chuyigo busongo iyo rangene duka Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Amone